may lead to happiness or a broken heart. As long as we do what is right, I have survived 2 broken hearts. Time heals all wounds, but remain the scars. I tell my heart, this time be strong, to face the world through all the storms. Heart, be strong this time. Heart, never let me down, 'cause I wouldn't like to cry if you say I better give love a chance with a positive outlook in life. Who knows, this one is the